Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Study Classes. स्वागत है आपका एक नई वीडियो में।
I am going to start my study from evening 6:10 p.m. This is my notebook of class 10th chemistry and the first chapter is chemical reactions and equations. So I am going to use my class 10th SST copy as a rough copy because there is no use of this copy at all. I usually don't buy any rough copies in the starting of the session of any class because I used to make my old fair copies of the previous class as a rough copy for my next class. I am revising all my notes of chapter 1 chemical reactions and equations and important keywords from my NCERT book that I have previously highlighted when I was studying in class 10th. Because my teacher has told me that the basic concepts of class 10th are important to move on in class 11th if you are going to opt PCM or PCB. So here I was done with revising my chapter 1 in almost half an hour and I took a little break, and yeah, here you can see the seeps that were beside my house. When I went outside, I was so fascinated because of weather on that day, so I began my study outside my house. I was revising my chapter 2 acid, bases and salt thoroughly from my notes and NCERT book. This chapter took me 40 to 45 minutes to revise because it's kind of confusing to learn the indicators and their color changes with acidic, basic or neutral solution. Then after completing chapter 2, I went on chapter 3 metals and non-metals. This chapter didn't took too much effort to revise because I have revised this chapter almost 3 times and it's the 4th time I am revising it again. So friends, I am done with my today's task and now it's time for sleep. So at almost 8:52 p.m. I went to had a sleep. If you watched my video till here, so please do like, share and subscribe.